Team R4UL, we are back again. Let's go, guys. It's your boy Raul TV, Team R4UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic. We are back again. What I'm doing this time around is I've got a Kia Optima on a 2018, and we're going to go ahead and replace the handbrake switch. If you've gone in the car one day, all is well, okay, and you lift the handbrake up, bang, the handbrake little switch snaps off. This is how you replace it. Dead easy. Put it that way. It might look daunting, it might look hard and whatever, you know, but it's not that hard. It's an easy job. Let's do it. Let's finish it off. Let's do it. Right, okay, this is the bad boy in question. As you can see here, this is all film going everywhere. Oh, bloody hell, it's even come off now, as you can see there. Right, it is dead. It was dead. I didn't break it, by the way. It broke by itself. Right, and that's what we're doing. That's the video. Okay, we're replacing the handbrake switch. Right, so we need to get this unit off. In order to do that, dead easy. I'll show you guys what to do. First thing first, what you do is you go to here, okay, and get yourself a little flat screwdriver or you know, trim removal kit, and all you do is just give it a little pry there, little pry there, boom, there we go. Give that a lift up. There we go. That lifts up. You can leave that like that, no problem. Right, okay, after you have taken that off, what we're going to do is we need to take this little side trim off. So same again, move this out of the way so you guys can see it. We need to take this part off here, okay, so get a flat screwdriver, or if you've got a trim removal kit like I mentioned before, use that. I think flat screwdriver works even better. There we go, just there we go. I know you guys think I'm rough, flat screwdriver and everything, but you know what? It does the job. Give me a break, guys. There we go. That comes off like that. Now this one here, right? This should just lift up. Just like that. It is just clipped on, so it will put up a little bit of a fight. There we go. But it does come up. There we go. Ta-da! We've got two wires underneath. Okay, one for the handbrake switch and another one for the whatever it is down there. Okay, so we'll take both of these wires off. So these wires just plug straight off. There we go. Now we can lift this up like that. We can see everything now. Okay, that's the handbrake switch, what we need to replace. Okay, so we'll go ahead and basically take these little screws off. I'll show you guys. Right, the next thing what we are going to take off is these Phillips screws. One here, as you can see there, one there. Okay, another one there. Okay, another one there. Okay, we need to take this panel off as well, this little panel off as well. So in order to take this off, we need to take this screw off here, this one here, another one here, another one there, and one more on this side here. You'll see it, you just go around and you'll see the Phillips screws, tiny screws. Somebody's already had a go at this, I can see here. Cracked it here, well, we're going to replace that anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Right, let's go ahead, take these screws off. Put one there, here, 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 and here. And here, all of them. Take all these off. First, I think you need to take this one off because this one goes on top of the handbrake switch. So yeah, let's take this one off first, then we'll take that off. Happy days. Let's do it. Right, guys, so I've took all the screws off from this panel here. Whatever this is, I don't know what it is actually, I'll find out in a minute. So as you can see, that one's off, that one is off, one on the bottom here is off, another one here is off, and one here is off. So that should really come away. I don't know what that does really. It must do something. So that's out of the way. Right, now we can go ahead and take the unit off for the handbrake switch. So basically this one off, where are we? This one off. This one is off because it's part of this one. Okay, we're gonna take this off and this off. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's got 5 screws holding it. Right, let's take it off. Okay guys, now we have taken them 4 screws off. Obviously it's got 5 on it because 1 goes on this one, but 4 screws off. We took the 4 screws off. This now should, boom, there we go, come straight off. Get the new one on, and yeah, let's finish the job off. Let's do it. Ta-da, there we have it. There's the brand new one. Okay, oh, brand spanking new. Right, okay, let's get this on. Can't really get it wrong, okay. It just goes on, I mean, the way it came off, right? So we're gonna put it on like that. Get the screws on, okay, and yeah, that's it. Okay guys, I've got, there we go, all these are tight. This one, this one, this one, and this one. That one obviously I haven't put the screw on yet because this goes over it. Oh, hang on, not that one. This goes over it. So all we do is just get that lined up to where it was, just like that. Can't really get it wrong because, or we can't go the other way because it won't line up, right? So yeah, get these screw on. This one, this one, this one, another one there, another one there, and that's it. Fit everything else in reverse order. Everything just clicks back on. All these plugs, everything. Can't really get it wrong. Right, okay, this one is on. This is on. All left to do now is obviously we're going to drop it down like that and get them 2 plugs on, this one and this one. Click everything back together again, and that's it. Job done. Well, that's it guys, all done and dusted. As you can see there, everything is absolutely back on. Dead easy. No screws or anything to take the panels off, just clip off basically. The rest of it, you know, is Phillips screws to take the, you know, units off. The handbrake unit, switch, and the other unit, whatever that is. I don't know what that is. It's got something there, but on this one, as you can see here, it's got nothing there. So I don't know what that one, I don't know what that is there for, but what it is what it is. It was there, so we had to take that off. Obviously it stops the handbrake switch from coming off. So there we have it, brand new switch. There's the old one, there's the new one. Okay, I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry, trying my best. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me, leave a comment in the comment section. Raoul TV, Team R4UL. We will see you guys next time.